Success. Please come. Papa will just come cut person like one use heat keep person. So mommy at home. Give me up your calendar and drink that. Thank you. Success, my baby. Make customer I go pay you biscuit. Trust me. Now what? My customer said they go plate egg for 3 months. Like why? If not only they get as customer, hungry will kill me. Now the hungry that they kill me like this. Safe. Imagine me, they drink Gary. What to do now? Thank you, my dear. Thank you, my dear. Thank you. Go now. You want to watch me do the car. Oh my God, we will make a good thing. I took this stone, person go leave go back the carry stone full everywhere. Say, guy, why they even manage now? Don't even pour. What kind of thing is this one? They even worry me. What kind of frustration be this one now? Go. I offend anybody. God. Child. This kind of problem be this one. Don't be so far. I don't suffer for this my life where I come. This small guy won't even drink safe. This kind of problem with this one. All this story they carry everywhere. This kind of with this one. God. Success. How are you? Oh, I can see you are fine. Have you eaten? You've not eaten. Come to big auntie. Oh my God, you mean you've not eaten? Don't worry, Let me give you some money so you can buy something for yourself. Alright, this is 10,000 naira. Just use it. Buy anything you want for yourself. Make sure you eat, okay? Be a good girl. You're welcome, my love. I love you so much. Too much money. Adogo money. Hey! What's your hookup business? No sweet. Hey! Can your handwork ever? I didn't even spend up to an hour. Hey! I did not spend up to an hour. I ate barbecue. They even did the remake for me.
Madam,
I don't understand. Who said that one? Hey, Jesus! Like, what's happening? What's the what? No. 1 year don't reach just now. What's the what parents now? God now. Please never be job telephone to call the parents too. Which can notice with this one? Go. Some people are just like they're just making noise in this compound. I hate noise. Go now. Why? Because they select people. Hello, babe. This fool. Yes, baby. Babe, I'm not happy. How about the 4.5 million naira that I told you? I want to use it to get a new house because I do not like this house I'm staying anymore. Oh, you've already sent the money. Oh my God! You sent 6 million. What? I already asked you for 4.5 million. You sent me 6 million naira. Just for the house. Oh. Thank you so much, my baby. I love you. What can I do without you, baby? What can I do?
in the walk, in the walk. Hey, baby. Ah, my baby, thank you. Thank you so much. After I am not like some people that don't have money to even pay for common. How much self? Look at this. Baby, no problem. I want to pack out.
I better not match me, oh.
Baby, I want to pack out. Oh. I can't wait. Thank you so much, baby. I love you.
I don't understand. So is this place your night too good?
You are too good. My hookup business, they pay me banta. Hey, you know they finish 1 hour before you know. You don't enter. Hey, you're here now. In the show, who they breathe. And they walk in the show. I can't wait to post my alert of 6 million naira from one of my babies, one of my sugar daddies. Oh my God! And they walk in the show. And they play in the show. I'm not like some other people that cannot even afford money to pay their rent. Just take a good look at the environment. I didn't even know what brought me here at first. I'm begging. Hookup business, student pay. Let me talk up. Now they work in the show. You know they take time. 1 hour. You don't feel waiting the 1 hour so 30 minutes. Don't collect millions.
Some girls go say they no fit do hookup. I cannot do hookup. I cannot do it. I cannot. But they give your opera to your boyfriend for free.